Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Aristotle Media. For today's feature number 187 of 1000, we are going to feature Museum of Teaware in Central Hong Kong. This is the oldest existing Western building in Hong Kong. It was built in 1846 for Major General George Charles D. Aguilar. And in 1984, the building was converted to Museum of Teaware, displaying Chinese teaware and related materials of different periods of time. This has no entrance fee and accidental lang yung pagkapunta ko rito kasi may iba akong patay dun sa UK Embassy, nag-inquire ko ng visa. But then, naglakad-lakad ako at doon nakita ko ito kaya pinasok ko na rin. If you want to know more about life in Macau and Hong Kong, don't forget to follow our YouTube channel, other page, social media page. And thank you for watching. Peace! Bye-bye!